In case of Frozenset is exactly similar like set data type. Only the difference is that Frozenset is immutable and set is mutable. Okay, so that means we cannot add on and remove the data. Okay, similarly we discuss list and tuple. So what was the difference between list and tuple? List was mutable and a tuple was immutable. So in case of the set and Frozenset, so if you don't want to modify the data, so we have to use the Frozenset. If you want to modify the data, so we have to use the set. Okay, so we have the Frozenset we are going to create first. So same syntax is up there for the Frozenset. And now what we are doing, if you want to convert this set into the Frozenset, so first we have created this set, then we have a Frozenset. So Frozenset function we have set will be converted into the Frozenset. So S1 will be converted into the Frozenset. Okay, like a Frozenset it is converted. So like let me type like Frozenset. So fs variable we have. Okay, fs variable. Now I'm printing the fs I'm going to print. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so Frozenset is printed. Okay, what is the really type of it? Is a Frozenset type. Like suppose I want to print what I want, like a type of S1. What is the type of S1? Okay, I want to check what is the type of fs. Okay, I want to check what is the type of fs, so you can check it. Okay, so type of S1 is set type. First set is created, now set is converted into the Frozenset, and now Frozenset is there. I mean, first we have to create the set, but I don't want to do some modifications there. Okay, I'm not interested for the modification remove operation. My set should be the fix. Okay, so then we have to convert by using the Frozenset into the set.